Hey everyone, it's me, Bryan teacher. In this video, we'll do the listen and match for the That's Silly construction zone picture. Please listen, match the picture, and write the number in the box. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Number 1. It is a dog. The dog is on the crane. The dog is playing a very long horn. Number 2. It is a very long red pencil. The alligator and fox are holding the pencil. They are bringing it to the front of the construction zone. Number 3. The robot is parachuting down from the sky. It's a silver robot with a pink parachute. It's a skydiving robot. Whee! Number 4. Deet, deet, deet. The pig is driving the dump truck. It is dumping many green and red apples. Number 5. It is a bear. The bear is painting a picture. He has some red, green, and orange paint. He's wearing a cute black hat. Number 6. The spaceman is a frog. The spaceman is jumping. Boing, boing, boing. The space frog has a big white spacesuit. Number 7. The robot is pushing the wheelbarrow. In the wheelbarrow, there's a pot. In the pot, there's a small palm tree. Next, number 8. The rabbit is playing the guitar. It's not a real guitar, it's just a shovel. The rabbit is sitting on some gray blocks next to the long red pencil. Number 9. Ooh, ooh. It is a very large white ship. The ship is hanging from the hook. The hook is on the crane. Number 10. Wah, 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 wah. The penguin is washing the clothes. He is hanging them on the clothesline. I see a red shirt, blue jeans, and 2 pairs of socks. Number 11. The fox is playing the drums. There are 3 drums and 2 cymbals. Tss, 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 tss. The drummer is wearing a business suit. Number 12. It is a big yellow excavator. In the excavator, I see an elephant. The elephant is driving and digging. Number 13. Let's see. It is a tiger. Shh, be quiet. The tiger is sleeping. The tiger is in the bucket of the payloader. Number 14. Ding, ding. The monkey is riding a bicycle. The red bicycle is in front of the crane. Be careful, Mr. Monkey. Number 15. The wild pig is digging a hole with a shovel. He is standing in front of the brick wall. He is next to the elephant in the excavator. He has black fur and 2 sharp horns. Next is number 16. The moose is riding on roller skates. The moose is big and brown. He has black antlers. Number 17.
Hey, let's dig a hole. Okay, sounds good.
The 2 rats are digging a hole in front of the crane. They have long pink tails and long gray noses. Number 18. It is a picnic lunch. The cat, the raccoon, and the hedgehog are taking a break. They're eating lunch and drinking some juice. Number 19. The hippo and the orangutan are holding a ladder. They are walking in front of the ship. And finally, number 20. The rhino is in the digger. He is digging some dirt. All right, that's it. We're all finished. Now that we're finished, please take a picture of your paper and send it to Bryan teacher or Michelle teacher, and we'll give you some bonus points. And as always, thanks for listening, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.